You want Chinese one?
Yeah.
Is there a Chinese one?
Yeah.
You want a Chinese one or is it English one? 那怎么找 I don't know how to look for it. You know how?
Bubble. Bubble. Bubble.
Okay, Zachary can look for it later on, okay?
George, look at all the tiny bubbles.
Oh, bubbles.
I can make bigger bubbles.
Peppa is blowing bubbles in her ring.
Bubble.
George wants to blow bubbles too.
Oh.
Oh, George, you really shouldn't play with your food.
You really shouldn't play your food.
Peppa, if you like bubbles, why don't you play with your bubble mixture?
Yes, my bubble mixture. George, let's blow bubbles in the garden.
Peppa is showing George how to blow bubbles.
First, dip the stick in the mixture. Then, take a big breath and blow. Bubble.
그냥
George,
Okay.
now it's your turn. Dip the stick in the mixture. Hold it up. Take a big breath and blow.
Boing.
George is trying really hard, but he is running out of breath.
George, you didn't blow hard enough.
That's the reason why.
Another way George can make bubbles. Dip the stick in the mixture, then lift it up and wave it around.
Bubble.
Bubbles.
It's even better if you run along.
Bubbles.
George is having fun making bubbles. Peppa is having fun popping them.
I love bubbles.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, no more bubble.
Up.
Daddy, Mommy. Let's blow more bubble mixture.
Don't worry, Peppa. I have an idea. Mummy Pig, bring me a bucket, please.
Yes, Daddy Pig.
Ah, bring me some soap.
Yes, Daddy Pig.
George, bring me my old tennis racket.
A bucket, some soap, a tennis racket. What is Daddy Pig doing?
First, I need some water.
Oh, 0
There's the
minute.
soup. Now, the tennis racket, please. Thank you. Now, watch this.
Daddy Pig has made his own bubble mixture.
Come on, everyone.
Careful, Daddy Pig. Don't slip and fall.
I'll be fine. Whoa.
Boom. Uh-oh.
Are you okay, Daddy Pig?
Yes, I'm fine.
Wow.
Daddy Pig has made the biggest bubble ever.
Oh dear, I've spilt all my